everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting discussion about the CAD-D2 horsepower machine that's been making waves in the construction and heavy equipment industry. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful and efficient piece of equipment to handle tough jobs, this is the one to watch, so stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the CAD-D2 horsepower, from its specifications to its performance and why it stands out in the market. Let's get started. Now, when we talk about the CAD-D2 horsepower, the first thing that comes to mind is its impressive engine performance. It comes equipped with a powerful Cat C 3.6 engine that delivers outstanding horsepower and torque, ensuring that you get the most out of every operation. Whether you're working on a construction site, handling forestry projects, or dealing with rough terrain, this Dozer is built to handle it all with ease. One of the standout features of this engine is its fuel efficiency. Cat has designed it to maximize power while keeping fuel consumption low, which means you can get more work done without worrying about excessive fuel costs. This is a game changer for contractors and operators who need to keep operational costs down while maintaining top-tier performance. Beyond the engine, the CAD-D2 horsepower boasts a next-level hydraulic system that ensures smooth and precise operation. Whether you're grading, pushing material, or handling heavy loads, the hydraulics are designed to provide maximum control and efficiency. The advanced load sensing system automatically adjusts to the load requirements, ensuring that every movement is both powerful and efficient. This makes operating the Dozer not just easier but also more effective, even for those who may not have years of experience behind the controls. Comfort and usability are also a big part of what makes the CAD-D2 horsepower stand out. The operator's cab is designed for maximum comfort, featuring an ergonomic layout with easy-to-reach controls and excellent visibility. A comfortable operator is a productive operator, and Cat understands this well. The cab is equipped with a fully adjustable seat, climate control, and advanced monitoring systems that provide real-time data on performance, fuel levels, and machine health. All of this means that operators can work longer hours without feeling fatigued, increasing overall productivity and efficiency on the job site. When it comes to durability and build quality, the CAD-D2 horsepower does not disappoint. Cat has a reputation for building tough, long-lasting equipment, and this Dozer is no exception. Its reinforced steel frame and high-quality components ensure that it can withstand the harshest working conditions. Whether it's extreme temperatures, rocky terrains, or heavy workloads, you can count on the D2 to perform consistently without breaking down frequently. This durability means lower maintenance costs and longer operational life, making it a solid investment for any business or individual in need of reliable heavy equipment. Another major highlight of the CAD-D2 horsepower is its advanced technology integration. Cat has incorporated cutting-edge features that enhance both performance and ease of use. One such feature is the CAD grade control system, which allows for precise grading and leveling, reducing the need for manual adjustments and ensuring a higher level of accuracy. This not only saves time but also improves the quality of work, making it an excellent choice for projects that require precision. The Dozer also features remote monitoring capabilities through Cat's Vision Link system. This allows owners and operators to track machine performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules in real time from a remote location. With this technology, you can easily identify potential issues before they become major problems, ensuring that downtime is minimized and efficiency is maximized. It's this level of innovation that sets Cat equipment apart from the competition and makes the CAD-D2 horsepower such a valuable asset on any job site. Let's talk about maneuverability. One of the biggest advantages of the CAD-D2 horsepower is its compact yet powerful design. Despite its strong performance capabilities, it's built with excellent maneuverability in mind, making it ideal for tight job sites and challenging terrains. The Dozer features an advanced traction system that provides exceptional grip and stability even on slippery or uneven surfaces. This makes it a great choice for everything from residential construction to larger industrial projects, where precision and control are key. Now, if you're wondering about maintenance and servicing, the CAD-D2 horsepower has been designed to make these tasks as simple as possible. Cat has engineered this machine with easily accessible service points, allowing for quick and hassle-free maintenance. Routine checks and servicing can be done with minimal downtime, meaning you can keep your projects running smoothly without unnecessary delays. The machine's onboard diagnostics system also helps detect issues early on, making it easier to address minor problems before they escalate into costly repairs. Another key factor that makes the CAD-D2 horsepower a top-tier choice is its versatility. This machine is built to handle a wide range of tasks, making it an invaluable asset for contractors, farmers, landscapers, and construction professionals. Whether you need it for earthmoving, grading, site preparation, or even agricultural applications, this Dozer delivers consistent performance across the board. The availability of various attachments also adds to its versatility, allowing you to customize the machine to suit specific job requirements. Environmental impact is something many businesses and operators consider nowadays, and the CAT D2 More Power excels in this area as well. Its fuel-efficient engine not only saves costs but also reduces emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option compared to older, less efficient models. CAT has made significant strides in developing equipment that meets stringent emissions regulations while still delivering the power and performance that operators need. So if sustainability is a priority for your projects, this machine is a great option to consider. Let's talk about cost effectiveness, because at the end of the day every investment in heavy equipment needs to be justified in terms of returns. The CAT D2 More Power is not just a powerful and efficient machine but also a cost-effective one thanks to its fuel efficiency, durability and advanced technology features. It offers lower overall operating costs compared to many competitors in the market. Reduced fuel consumption, lower maintenance expenses and increased productivity all add up to significant long-term savings, making it a smart investment for businesses of all sizes. Now when it comes to operator training and ease of use, CAT has made sure that the CAT D2 More Power is as user-friendly as possible with intuitive controls, responsive handling and built-in technology to assist with operations. Even less experienced operators can quickly get the hang of using this dozer. This reduces the learning curve and ensures that your team can start working efficiently with minimal training time. It's these little details that make a big difference in real-world applications and contribute to the overall success of a project. If you're considering adding a dozer to your fleet, the CAT D2 More Power is definitely worth looking into. Its combination of strength, precision, efficiency and advanced technology make it one of the best options in its class. Whether you're an independent contractor running a small business or managing a large construction operation, this machine has the capability to enhance productivity and help you get the job done right. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the CAT D2 More Power. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest in heavy equipment and construction technology. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another machine you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.